I'm Jared Haynes, and this is Rogue Outdoors. Today I want to talk to you about the new Rogue Outdoors pocket quiver line that I've released. So these are made in-house by my wife and I. We're cutting out the leather, we purchase it locally, and we're putting these all the way together. So these are not outsourced, these are all done by my wife and I at home, and then hopefully shipped out to you, the customer. These are going to come in 3 different variations. So we're going to have a hard-backed version, we're going to have a soft-backed version, and then we're going to have the option of stitched or riveted. So you've got these different options that you can go with to suit your specific needs. Now, within all of those build options on if you want riveted, hardback, or softback, then you can choose between the green leather or black leather front. These are the only 2 front face leathers that I'm going to run right now. And then as for the backs, I've got quite a few different varieties. So this brown leather right here is kind of like a 4.5 ounce leather, as where like on this one right here, it's a much thicker leather. This is more like 8 to 9 ounce type leather, so a lot thicker. And then obviously on like this guy, you're running the same front leather and back leather, which is really flexible, pliable in the pocket. So you have a lot of different options that you're gonna be able to go with. Stitching colors will change. I've got white stitching, black stitching, the kind of yellowy gold stitching, and then the brass or gunmetal or this kind of a rustic brown rivet colors. So a lot of different variety. I'm just going to kind of be putting them up starting initially on Facebook and then kind of grow from there, and you'll be able to see what's available, what I have. You can email and make specific requests. That'll be in the description below this video. I'll have an email that you can send a specific request to. I'll see if I'm able to pull that off. Or not, but at the very least you can make that request if you're interested in purchasing one of these. Now these are made for pretty much all adult male sized back pockets. There are a few caveats to that. So like these in some of the Kuiu line of pants are a little bit tighter to fit in there because they have that top flap that goes over like on the attack pant or something like that. But Stone Glacier, First Light, Normal Jeans, pretty much any other company, these are designed to fit perfectly snug inside that pocket. Now it's going to be kind of up to you, like I said, to see what you want to go with between the hard-backed or the soft-backed. So the harder one obviously keeps more rigidity, but in this section stays up higher on your back. But when you bend, kind of squat, this will fold along with the curvature of your butt compared to the stiff ones. So it's whatever you're going to find more comfortable, or get one of each, and for different needs you can run whichever one you want. Really quick on the materials. Again, the black and the green are the same that I'm actually running in my tab line. So these are about a 5 ounce leather. They're an oil tanned leather. They're really soft, really nice feel to them, good leather smell, and really rugged. On the back materials, it's just going to kind of depend on which particular one you want to go with. I'll have a lot of different options that I'm going to be running, and it's just kind of whatever I pick up, whatever I think is kind of cool. So you got, like I said, about the 9 ounce and about a 4.5 ounce leather that's a rigid one. So I hope this video gave you a quick overview on the Rogue Outdoors pocket quivers and what you may want to expect when purchasing one of these. They're pretty simple for how to work, just slip it into your back pocket. But if you do have any other questions, either email me to that email that's down in the description or leave a comment on the video and I will try and answer any questions that you have. Thank you for watching.